Hello guys, thanks for watching this video. Today we will present the second part from OmniStudio Doc Generator. Today we talk about the client-side generator. Okay, a little bit about myself. You can see more on the first video. You can follow me on my LinkedIn, my address here. On the first video, we talk about how to prepare everything to use this tool. We can create permission set and configurations. We can create model of documents, and you can create a template. Okay, so it's really necessary to start by here. Start from first video. Okay, I told you before. We will talk about the client side generation tool. Uh, Follow up with our team on our social media, and let's go. So let's make a quick review just to remember how to create a document template. Okay. So first of all, I will open this adapter. Clone. Bring. Save. Here. Save. Copy. Clone. Bring. I will save as. Perfect. So document in template designer. New. Bring documents. Here. You bring. Bring. And add template. I will click here just to see your parameters are okay. The same here. Okay. So ready, activated. Back to list. And you can see we have three different document templates. And now we will see how to use them. Okay. In my view, we can use a standard script that Salesforce used to provide. It's a nice way to start by it and build our component. So I will show how to load that. Go to setup. Static resources. Letter D. Click on this component. Doc generation sample LWC. LWC. Then save link as. My computer is in Portuguese. Oops, not like that. View file. View file. Now that's it. Okay. So download this component. I had it already downloaded. So not need to do it now. So let's go to OmniScript. Click in import. Browse the file. Mine is here. We will import OmniScript and data raptor extract. Okay. We can activate later. In mind. So here is the component that we just imported from static resources provided by Salesforce. Okay. So let's show how it works. First of all, I need to activate it. Even we are in a preview mode, we need to have this component activated for it to work. So let's click in preview. It asks the object ID. Okay. I enter code ID. As we saw before, we extract data from this code ID, transform by data type transform, and then create the document according tags provided in the Word document. Okay. It say that I want to create a document, use a Microsoft Word template. It must be a docx. Just doc doesn't work. Okay. So as you see, we had a list from the templates that you have all the three. It needs to be achieved. Okay, activated. Sorry. If I deactivate template from previous, As you can see, showed just two because of one of them are not active now. Okay, let's select the red one. Something very interesting. We had data raptor to get all templates that you have. I request data. We pass the template type. We're talking about Microsoft Word. And then we had a list from all templates that are activated now. We will talk about this data raptor a little bit later, okay? As you can see, we have all document templates on this array. That and that one. This component is a LWC from the managed package on Salesforce. So we are able with this component select the plate that you want to use. I select that. As you can see, you have here select the template provided by that component. As you can see, we select the quote std green. And here we had a step to configure how it will be our document. I want, for example, PDF. In this case, I need to use a data raptor struct to get information from the quote. And here I will set the document. I say my test doc. So next. As you can see, document generated according this option. Something nice to discuss. I will activate again. Back to list. All these three templates are basically the same. The only thing different between them is the color. Of course, that's I could use a conditional and create just one template and something. But look, then it would be pretty difficult for guy who deal with business to edit or to create a new template document because of they need to understand logic, they need to understand the rules. Oh, if this variable is true, then it will be blue. This variable, in my view, it's much more simple. Business guy do just what I showed you in the beginning of video. Just clone the data raptors, create another template, another file, and then create another document template. It's much more easier for guys who work with business, don't understand nothing about logic, and it's really possible because of I had customers who are using a solution like that. We teach them how to create the templates, how to clone data raptors, and they are doing. I mean, they can exchange their templates without to help from a programmer or admin or something like that. Okay. Template design. Checklist. So all, as I told you before, all these templates is based on the same data, but we must clone the data wrappers. I mean, even for some of the rules on Salesforce, we cannot use the same data wrapper extract or transform for different templates. So if you have another template, we must clone both data wrapper extract in data wrapper transforms and use this new one in a new template. Okay. So go back to our own script. The question is, what happened here? How this file appear here? How it was generated? Let's go. We provide the record ID here and type. Of course, it's not an amazing way to do that. The best way to catch the idea, it's using a record page, okay? This component is very important because of, let's see the data wrapper. So I got all templates will field achieve equal true. Token map is JSON. And we pass template type as a parameter. Okay. I want to clone that. By name. Okay. Imagine that we just created many document templates. Some for quotes, some for orders, some for opportunities, some for accounts, you know. And the way that this data wrapper is built, it to give the possibility to try to use a document template provided by account, and then you pass ID from data from quote. Then, of course, it will be a mistake. So let's implement a new one. Not like that. I want a new filter. Name. Like. Templates. Name. Okay. So what I want to show is a simple solution for we avoid some issues. Of course, that there is many ways to solve, but let's talk about one of them. As you see, all templates name, I choose the quote space minus space name from template. Okay, it means that all this document templates is built to this quote object, right? So what I want do that. Template name equal quotes. Okay. So that way I can be sure. Of course, that I need to follow this parameter when I create a name. Maybe it's not the best way to vinculate the document templates to the objects, but it's one of them. And I think for this kind of demonstration, it's nice to be simple. Okay, believe me, it works. So I have here all templates next by quote. Okay. Copy paste that somewhere because we use that very soon. This new data raptor and copy that parameter too. Now I can close it and let's go back to our data raptor. This component, we, as I told you before, is a LWC from CLM package provided by Salesforce. You cannot change that, you know. So we pass these parameters from data raptor for generate a list from templates found on the data raptor struct. Then you can choose. Okay. Oh, this set value just to select this to pass parameter from this template. No, choose it by here. That's also very important. We pass some parameters about the document that we want to create. Okay, name and so on. This is just to map data chosen by this step here. And here on this step is the most important. We can say that's here where magic happened, you know. It's another CLM component provided also by us on Salesforce package. And you pass those parameters here. Context ID, here can pass directly the context ID provided by the record from the document. This template selected as we choose it. Debug, just if you want to, how can I say, take a look at some console logs that generate just to, in case we need, and document title. Let's take a look on documentation from that specific component. Here it is. As you can see, we pass context ID is required. Select the template is required. As you see, it's the contract from this field. Select the template. But now, let's make um, this component a little bit more easy to use. Okay. Oh, that's activated. Done. Go back to design. And let's delete here. We don't need to pass the object, object ID. So field, such values, template time, type, we'll fix this value. Not like that. Microsoft Word. Name, then will be quotes, passo menos 3. Okay. Save. Do not need. Uh, that and more. I forgot, guys. Sorry. But it to be more interesting to create a new version. Let's do that. Edit. Then okay. Okay. Now that we are in the right component, let's delete this step. Not need that. Value. templates. Okay, so we pass Microsoft Word, and then we will use the template that I have that we created before, not this one, that one here. Okay, that we did before. And now name, and templates name. Here we pass data source, template time, and template name. Okay, from the type that you just created, template name, template time, type. Sorry, it was okay. Oops, everything. That one. Open again. So let's activate. Make a short preview. Just if you have a list from templates that you choose before to move on. Preview. Yes, that is. So we can choose. Then we feed this node select template. Perfect. Activate again. Go to design. Okay. That's also a step that I needed to avoid. Imagine that we already defined that we have some parameters in our document. Okay, so let's oh, let's go. I go to this set values, and edit it here. I saved this entire JSON from an script. Now take a look on another screen. So you can do the same. So touch it format PDF. Okay, saved. So I can use doc generation mechanism. Client side. Documented viewer. PDF. PDF. So as you cannot see what I'm doing, instead of have an option, have drop down item, I pass this parameter in static way, okay? Download format. All. PDF generation source. Client side. Here. Wrong. Download file format. Them. Oh, document. Oh. Here I could implement data raptor to get order to have a name, but I pass something like order PDF document. Okay, but in real life, I will create data raptor extract to get name from not order, sorry, quotes. It gets quote number and pass quote number document or something like that. So as you can see, all this item now is static. I not need that. Let me see. Okay. Now I need to change just one parameter here. Go to LWC. And here I pass context ID. Because of with this value, I can get the ID from record from browser, okay? So activated. Test this. First of all, I need to get this code ID. Go to preview. Then I pass the context ID here. Okay. Preview. So choose red this time. Okay. Go to next. And voila. Our document template. Sorry, document was created using document template. Then take a look how to use this component on the record page, okay? Let's go to port page, port record page like that. The type, git page. Create another tab. Okay. Component that we create here must be activated. Let me take a look. Oh, here I guess that one. Yes, sorry. Save. Was already activated for that. For the default org. As you can see on notes and attachment, I had no document. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if I refresh the page, you see document attached here. Okay, guys, for now that's all. On next video, we'll talk about document generation on the server side. Okay, see you. Bye bye.